Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. This time it is a festive vlog. I have tried to compile shots during the 3 days of Ganesh Chaturthi, right from making the Ganesha Murti, decorating the house and some DIYs. At the end I have also shared all the Naivedyam or Bhog that were served during those days. Some of the recipes I have already shared and some will follow. I hope that will give some ideas and inspiration for the upcoming festivals. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy rest of the video. So this was my Ganesha Murti and a DIY Singhasan made easily with a cardboard piece, some self-adhesive paper and craft items. In case you want to watch previous Ganesh Chaturthi vlogs, I will add it in the description box or somewhere in the I button. So this is how we did our Ganesh Chaturthi decoration this year. I have kept the decoration very simple. Just few strands of marigold garlands here and there and we are sorted. Along with the garlands, I have added a piece of cloth just to make the Singhasan and the idol to stand out. I think it's an easy hack that you can also try. Rather than a blank wall, try to add a cloth or something that you have in hand. Don't need to buy or anything. To begin with the Naivedyam ideas, so first thing are the Modaks, which are Ganesha's favorite. The Ukadiche Modak or the traditional rice flour steamed Modaks are already shared in my website. You can check out the recipe in the description box. Next we have Undralu and we also have Gur Laddus, which are coconut laddus made with jaggery. The first day was an elaborate Bhog platter where we have puri, paneer gobi ki sabzi, some vegetable pulao, mithai, pineapple chutney and sabudana ki kheer. This is another kind of modaks which I prepared the next day and it's very easy and quick to prepare compared to the steamed ones. These are Kesri Rava Modak or Semolina Modaks made with saffron. We also have here Laddu, Sabudana ki khichdi, which is very easy and delicious. We also have black chana chaat made with grated carrots and desiccated coconut. Next we have some delicious South Indian rice, curd rice and tamarind rice. We have paneer ki kachori and stuffed puris. The third day was again a Mahabhog where we prepared Bengali Bhog Thali. We have Bengali Bhogir Khichdi, Labra, which is a mixed vegetable, then 5 kinds of rice, payesh and mithai. This was again very delicious and it's always a nostalgia whenever I prepare this. I hope to share these recipes very soon in my upcoming videos. In the evening, I prepared a fresh round of Ukadiche Modak and Besan ka Laddu. I have a very easy recipe shared in my website. You can check out the link in my description box. So that concludes my video. I hope you have enjoyed and you had a nice time with family. Hope you all are staying safe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It would mean a lot to me. So until next time, bye bye.